Okay, we give up. Spirits, we know you're screwing with us. Where did the pliers go?
Can I please have my pliers back?
She was literally just up on the couch pulling staples. She thought they were in her pocket. We have gone through everything. These pliers are missing.
They're gone. And every other tool we have is right here.
Yeah, every other tool is back on the table exactly where we've been taking them in and out. So, like, what the hell?
I have no idea.
This is crazy.
Can I please have the pliers back?
Crazy.
And now we've looked under everything. We pulled all
Yeah,
the
we've already
pillows,
moved all the couches out. You'll see some of that on the time lapse. But we pulled the couches out. We've done everything. We've gone in the other rooms, which she didn't even go in.
Yeah, I did. I never left here with the pliers.
We'll see if we can find them.
Yeah.
We'll get back with you.
Oh my God.
Okay. It's getting even more interesting. I need to find a flashlight now. Actually, we can just turn the damn lights on back there.
Yeah, we'll just turn the lights on. I'm taking one more look because we've already moved this. They're not
So
here.
we just saw, why we're taking one more look is just to make sure we're not crazy, because we just thought we saw a shadow of a person, like a whole person just like move through here and go off like they're going to the back. And the only thing that is got us stumped, like we cannot find these damn pliers. And I have a pair of pliers in my room, and I turned the camera off and we were just kind of talking and joking to Henry and said, Henry, did you come steal the pliers? And I was like, well, they're not Henry's pliers. And then we went back into the room where I've got all my tools. And let me show you this real quick, because I was like, wait, are these the pliers? And no, these are not the pliers. The pliers we're looking for are longer handled than this, and they're solid metal. They don't have a rubberized grip on them.
So maybe it is.
And they're a little rusted. And then I remembered I got those out of this toolbox, which was underneath the counter in there. So technically, I guess those would be Henry's tools, possibly. So let's go and see if Henry has taken them back here.
Your pliers. I had to borrow them. Are we going lights on or lights off?
We can go lights on. I don't care.
I don't even know what the light switch is. That's how often I turn them on.
There, it's
Where is it?
Well, it's on this side. Whoa.
Yeah.
It's right here. Sorry, we're gonna have to turn the lights on, guys, because my glasses are all sorts of goopy.
Oh, child. Okay, there's energy back here. I haven't even walked back here yet.
I haven't been back here at all today. At all. One iota.
Hey, Henry, we're looking for the pliers.
I am goosebumped out like crazy, though.
Oh, I am too. Look at my arm is just like completely chilled up.
I'm not
Henry,
seeing them.
Did you bring some pliers back here? Now, if we go back and the pliers are back there, then I'm going to flip shit.
Yeah, because we've torn this place apart. We have literally torn this place apart.
They just vanished. Okay, if I was Henry, where would I put my pliers? I would put my pliers back in my toolbox, but I don't have
Right, but there's not a
here.
toolbox back here. The toolbox is back upstairs, or up front. Because that's what I would do, because that's what I always do. I'm a very organized person, and... Wow, where did all... Oh, that's because these are falling down.
Okay.
That might have actually fallen while we were gone.
Oh my
Okay.
goodness. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's new from the last time I was here.
Yeah. At least it's just plaster and not brick.
That's true.
It's just plaster.
Okay.
Cosmetic. Cosmetic.
If you took our pliers, would you please put them back by the time we get back down there?
We'll start using the other pliers, but...
We'll use Chad's pliers. We won't use your pliers. I won't use your pliers.
All right, let me turn these all back off. Telling you, that is...
Are you still rolling just in case we walk in
Yep.
the damn pliers room?
I am rolling continuously now,
Okay,
so...
good.
It sucks being on time lapse because you can't hear the audio, and like we're gonna be just pulling the room apart and not doing anything productive.
Let's go in this way.
Okay.
Let's just take a quick look around the kitchen. I know I didn't walk in here with them. But let's just look.
Yeah,
Just to
because I
say
mean it'd
we
be
look.
obvious because Leslie just cleaned in here, so like the shelf space is pretty tidy. Yeah, they're not in here.
They're not in here.
They are clearly not in here.
Okay. Child, that's the first place I looked.
Okay, clearly not in here.
I have no idea. Okay, is there any chance?
They fell in the bag.
You know what you're going to have to do? You're going to have to go in and seal that box that you sealed up.
I didn't seal a box.
Oh, you just created a box?
Yeah, I just created one.
Okay, we need to look in there because it's clearly not in this. I
Yeah,
wonder
and we've
if
already
they
taken the
fell.
cushions off this couch. We took the cushions off this couch.
They're not up here because I didn't move anything on that.
It's not in any of this.
And I was working right here and they're
Y-
not behind
yeah.
the couch either.
You know what? Here, take the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna just move this way the fuck out of the way.
Okay, wait.
That's the front.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Is it on? Oh, okay. Look. I'm a terrible photographer.
It's okay. This is expedition.
And there are no pliers.
Not one.
And
bit of
that is
pliers.
where I was working.
Okay. Let's just do this. Double check all this.
Yeah.
Like
Double
no.
check back there. Get a flashlight.
I did somewhere.
Oh God, that's disgusting. Turn that light on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, yay. Oh, that smells like cat piss. Oh, don't even pick that
Oh,
up
there's
yet.
cat shit in it.
It's lovely.
All right, so there's cat shit in there.
Okay.
I'll have to glove up to touch that.
Yeah. Yuck.
It's not back here.
No, the pliers are not back here.
Okay, let's push this back and we'll look under
Under the
this
table. Which I did.
Yep.
But
no,
let's
that's not
do
how
it
you
again.
Nothing there.
Nothing underneath the table.
I was like, motherfucker. No, it's a fan.
Yeah.
Okay, not here.
And nobody's been over here, but I'll move this shit and check it just in case. Nope.
It's not down in there.
I haven't even worked over here
I know,
yet.
you haven't gotten over here yet. That's why nothing's taken off.
All right, make sure it's not in my bag. No, just soda pops. And
I checked this
napkins.
box, but we'll check it again.
Check the box again.
They'd probably not fit in this box except long ways. Yeah, it's just a screwdriver.
I have no idea. Let me check my pockets again. I mean, okay, you can attest there's nothing in my pockets. Nothing. Nothing in my
They're big
pockets.
enough that we would see them though. So
Yeah.
I mean, they're longer than this
they're as long as
screwdriver.
that at least. So what the actual fuck?
This is unbelievable.
Can I please have back the pliers? The only time I walked in here was to turn the music off, which was on the space bar.
Yeah, but we were already looking for them.
Yeah. Now these are the snips, but this isn't what we were looking for.
Those are definitely.
Where's your other pair of gloves?
Huh? That is my gloves.
Where's the white pair?
What white pair?
There were 2 pair of gloves. You said I could use one of them if I wanted. There was a white pair and a black pair.
No, this was the only pair I had.
Chad, there were 2 pairs of gloves when you said I could have a pair of gloves if I wanted one.
That's the only gloves I brought.
No, Chad, there was a white pair of gloves up there. Because I almost took that one because they were smaller. I'm not shitting you because I was trying to determine which pair of gloves I wanted.
This is weird, okay? So, the only other gloves that we brought are the Rubbermaid gloves. And Leslie's got
And
like
those
a
are
pink
blue
pair,
and
I got a
pink.
Blue and pink, yeah.
Those are in the kitchen. There was a pair of white gloves right here. Because that's what I was going to use.
Well, I've just been organizing stuff up here.
You showed me the black mirror.
Yeah. These are all cables and electronics. These are cool things. Those are run over electronics. I mean, they're not here.
Can I please have the pliers back? I guess they're telling us to stop for the night. I legitimately have no idea where they are. Why
Okay.
did I give this back to you?
Well, we'll
I have no fucking clue.
I guess we're gonna pause and either
We didn't look underneath this chair.
yeah, it's not there. Okay. Well, I guess we'll figure this out eventually.
right there on that so it's looking down.
Okay, here comes the bad corner. This isn't pretty. So we found all this stuff back here, and in these bags is just wads of cat crap. It is gross. It is gross to say the least. So
We're gonna clean it up though.
here we go.
longest process was just getting all of the staples and the screws and the nails out of the walls in here. It was several hours worth of work. The most impressive part, look at this floor, that rug gone. How about that, y'all?